When you're looking at change and different things in a corporate environment, what are some of the biggest challenges you had? You clearly alluded to one there. We've got different customers, different people that you're servicing. You've got different countries, different mindsets, different thinking. What would you say like the biggest challenges are, and how you position yourself to get through those challenges, and what are some of the wins and some of the learnings that you had across the journey?
To be honest, I think Oricon in general is they're good with the
Yeah.
adoption of new technologies and new ways of working. I think in general, everyone is open to doing something new and different. I think where the major sort of challenges come up for us is when we're trying to instill sort of big, significant change. So to create an application and for a team to adopt it onto a project might not necessarily be that hard. I think we've established enough of a track record of these things that people are open to doing it. But it's more about changing fundamental business processes that challenge the current business model. That's when things start to get very
So everyone's
difficult.
happy to play a little bit, maybe add a bit of value to a certain process or the way you do things now.
Yeah.
It's then when you sort of question, all right, is the way we're doing things now how they need to be in the next 3 to 5 years? That's probably when you have a bit of challenge, right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
So
okay.
I think when you can develop something that shows gains in efficiency or productivity, that's no problem, because that's an easy thing for people to wrap their
It's
head
an
around.
easy sell
And
too,
that's
right?
because you're a fee for service by the hour business, so they can say they can do something quicker, but still provide the same value.
Yeah. But when it's around generating new revenue or tapping into new profit pools or delivering a service in a different way. So, traditionally, consulting firms, just in general, and Oricon's no different, we sell by the hour, really. We price up projects based on the amount of human effort that is going to go into it. Now, in a digital context, that type of business model no longer works very well. We are continuously automating, digitizing a lot of the types of tasks that we would normally do manually in a traditional context. So rather than for us to just say, well, we're something that took us a week to do now takes us an hour, we're just going to charge that hour. There's a whole lot of R&D effort and investment that's gone
It's
into
different
that automation.
thinking,
It's value-based rather than time-based.
Eventually,
That's what we're thinking,
it's also more difficult to charge per value too.
Well, it's the same for us as well.
Yeah. No, I agree
We
with that.
estimate by an hour on a project,
Yes.
but the outcome is what the value is in.
No, it's not.
Whether we can do it in a week or 6 weeks, that's our problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I think a lot of the time, our systems are not necessarily set up effectively to ensure that we are calculating the effort that's gone into what it took, the R&D effort, the innovation effort, what it took to get to that point.
The value in the IP,
yeah.
all the effort that's gone through, the years of learning, because you can't get to that position and make an impact of 1 week of work to 1 hour without user research, understanding, investigation, and investing to tech to actually improve that.